In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to upload an image where you want to enhance the quality. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on the edit button up top. This is going to open this left side panel, and then from here you have a few options. You could use this auto enhance over here, which is going to be the quickest and easiest way. So just click on auto enhance. It's going to basically go through and it's going to auto enhance your image. Okay, so just like this, as you can see over here, it's going to go through. Right now for me, it enabled auto enhance because I've done this already earlier. But if you simply click on it for the first time, it's going to take a few seconds. There's going to be like a loading phase where it's going to start enhancing your image quality. Now that's the first way, but then if you want a manual way, you could go to adjust over here, and you'll be able to, of course, change things like contrast, brightness, highlight, shadows, etc. And you can kind of enhance your quality that way. Or down here where it says detail, you can go and sharpen it a bit, and you can go and, of course, add a bit of a blur if you want to, if your image, of course, would want to have that. And then like this, you can go and enhance your image quality in Adobe Express. Okay, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.